In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add due dates in Process.st, which is an essential feature for keeping your workflows on track. Whether you're just starting with Process.st or looking to refine your process, setting due dates can make a huge difference in keeping your tasks and team aligned. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share a special offer that gives you access to the software completely free with some exclusive bonuses. To start, due dates in Process.st are used to assign deadlines to tasks in your workflow, ensuring that everyone knows when things need to be completed. The first thing you'll want to do is open up the workflow or template you're working on. If you're starting fresh, create a new process by selecting Create New Template from your dashboard. Now that you're in your template, you'll want to add a task. Simply click the plus Add Task button to create a new task, and this is where you'll be able to assign a due date. Once your task is created, hover over it and click the small calendar icon that appears on the task card. From there, you can choose the specific due date you want. But here's the thing, you can also set recurring due dates. Let's say you're creating a monthly checklist and need a task to be completed at the end of each month. After setting the first due date, you can easily set up a recurrence by selecting the repeat option. This is great for automating routine processes and reducing manual input each time. One feature that really stands out with due dates is the ability to assign them based on other variables in your workflow. For example, you can set due dates to be a certain number of days after a trigger event, like the completion of a previous task. This gives you a level of automation that helps you stay organized without constant manual oversight. For teams, assigning due dates is just as simple. You can add multiple due dates to different tasks within your workflow and assign them to specific team members. When they log into their dashboard, they'll see what tasks are due and when. This is especially useful if you have a team that's working on a shared process. Everyone knows their deadlines, which keeps things moving smoothly. Now, one pro tip when using due dates in Process.st, use the Task Progress feature. This allows you to track how far along a task is and whether it's on track to meet its due date. This is a handy tool to prevent tasks from slipping through the cracks and helps you stay on top of everything. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can start using Process.st completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. Plus, you'll get some exclusive bonuses if you sign up today. By adding due dates in Process.st, you're taking a big step towards streamlining your workflows and boosting productivity. I hope this quick guide was helpful, and if you want to dive deeper into Process.st's features, make sure to check out the link below for a free trial with extended access. Thanks for watching.